Me now go sit down and watch on a drag Lady V all over the place. Yeah? Me might not be the biggest fan of Lady V. But me now go sit down and me gonna drag her all over the internet for say, oh, she this, she that, she that. Uno create Lady V. Uno are the one who create, you created her. When me used to come out and me lick out against the things that when Lady V do, uno drag me. I know so me bad mind the lady because she look good. And me bad mind the lady for her education. And me laugh, me just smile. And me tell you no say, there's something called reading the room. And me read the room and me know what is ahead. Me know what is ahead. I knew that Lady V did not belong in certain spaces. And me go call name and me not care what none of you want to say. Yeah? I knew that Lady V no have no Latin part for deal with Erica. I knew that Lady V no have no Latin part for deal with Kingston 13. I knew that Lady V don't have no Latin part for deal with Ashanti. Facts! Come at me if you don't want. I care zero. I care zero. I care zero. Come at me. Look at Lady V. As much as you know might say, she chat, she this, she that. We know that Lady V no have no Latin part to deal with Ashanti, Kingston 13 or Erica. Because we see where these people give. And I'm not saying that she's better. You understand? But we see where they give. We see what they're all about. And you women, yeah, let me tell you something. It's uno women. Uno sit down and watch Kingston 13. Uno watch Ashanti. Uno watch, let me take Erica out of this for a little bit. Yeah? Uno watch them two individual day. And uno support them. How can I support people who dig up information on people? How can I support people who tell lies on people? That's why I'm disappointed in you, Lady V, for befriending these people, for taking to their platforms and saying your piece. You should have known better. I'm sitting here wondering if I should feel sorry for you. But when we take a step, we realize that you are hurt. You are hurt. Lady V, you know why you're hurt? Because of your daughter. You came on the scene and you wanted acceptance. You wanted us to accept your daughter because she's a rape victim. So you wanted us to look above that. You understand? And understand, say, she's a rape victim and she's doing what she's doing. Yes, I understand, but we don't have to. We don't have to. We can still formulate our opinion because she's an adult. And we know that she can, if she wants to go and get the help, she would go and get the help. If she wants to. She does not want to. She's not ready. And we know that she's not ready so people can come out and say whatever they want to say. Because she's an adult. She's your baby. She's not our baby. We have children, yes. Would we like people on the internet to be dragging our child? No. But she's an adult. She put her life out on the media. She's very loud and she's very proud. She posted she's not ready to give up her lifestyle so people can talk. You cannot force people to leave her out of arguments. You cannot because she's an adult. And because you say you can't really control in that aspect. You are projecting your anger. You are projecting your anger. You understand? On others. And you're trying to find comfort or solace. So you try to take refuge in places where you no belong. You see, because up here so it's all jumbled. And there's a lot of, things where you need to work out and figure out. There's a lot of pain. That's messing with you. You find toxicity. You're taking comfort in environment, in people who are toxic. You understand? You're feeding off of that toxicity. That is not you. That is not you. You need help. Long time ago, me come on social media and me say, make me be a friend. Me can be more of a friend than the people that you have around you. Because me would have tell you a long time, so go and seek therapy. Therapy is not a bad thing. Therapy is not a bad thing. I had to seek therapy when I'm grieving. Not for one of the on social media where when a child sick, or when you lose a child, or picnic, they do things where them not supposed to do. Either them live a promiscuous life, right? Or then turn to a life of crime. We are grieving. We are hurting. We need counseling. We need therapy. I lost my brother suddenly and I was grieving. It was taking me down a path that, that's not me. That's not where I want to go. That's not the things that I want to do. Me love myself that much. Me love my family that much where I didn't want my actions to start affecting them. I went to my GP. And at the first time I shared this, I went to my GP and I told them that I'm not okay. And they refer me to therapy. I used to go to therapy 3 years ago. Every Wednesday. There's a reason why God gave man wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So that they can come and fix us. Because on everything prayer can sort out. And everything we are going to pray. And when we are praying, say God send the people them when give the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to come and help us. To overcome whatever it is that we are going through, to help us. That's why we go to a doctor. You think say you go just sick, you find one lump and you just sit down and pray and say, oh God, I got to take it that way. No, you go to a doctor. So don't listen to people who just say, oh, pray. No, go and seek help. Go and seek help. And I saw the path that you was going down, Lady V. And I held you to this higher standard because you came out and you say you're a psychologist. You're a motivational speaker. Right? I respected you so much. I admired you so much. Me used to tune in to you when you came out. Me used to, and then me see you start to do something like a song. I was so shocked. I wasn't shocked because you can't cuss. Yeah, me was surprised the things and what you was saying, right? But not for we we are, educated or whatever. We can't cuss. We come from a culture where we know if it cuss. We really know if it cuss and fight. We grew up like that. So, me understand. Education now go take away that. Knowledge now go take away that. You just knowledge. We teachers say, no, you know how you have to handle things differently. You understand? That's not how you deal with certain situations. So, me know that. So, me not go down certain routes. Not saying I'm perfect. I may never make mistakes. Absolutely. But me recognize it. And me try to reflect and fix it. Me not try to continue. You understand? But when me see I continue down a path and me come out and me beat you and beat you and beat you. Some me beat you, I saw them beat me. Some me beat you, I saw people beat me. And them hate on me. And them drag me. Right? And now, when you're being dragged, they say, oh, you are this, you're jealous, you're bad mind, and you want the on top, and you want this and that and whatever. But I them make you reach this so? And them make you reach this so where you are at now. And them make you reach this so. So me now go just sit back and know that them contribute to you being where you are at. When people come and do certain things, Kingston 13 does certain things. On a bigger up. Yes, on a bigger up. 2 wrongs don't make a right. Me tell you that straight. 2 wrongs does not make a right. Me tell you that straight. You cannot beat down the next person and fight the next person in the name of somebody else to put this person up here so and you beat down this person. You don't do that. You not do that. What we should be doing is encouraging women to put aside their differences. Put aside on the differences and leave each other alone. If you can't make up, you leave each other alone. But don't try to add fire to fury. Don't try to add fire to fury. And if I'd done that in the past years ago, I've learned from it. You know, say I don't do those things. I've learned from it because I'm observing, I'm learning, I'm experiencing things. So certain things I'm not going to be a part of. I'm not going to be a part of. Uno out here, I don't know a fight. What a fight for? If there was a battle to be won, the person win the battle. The person, you can't see somebody up here and flourishing and flourishing and flourishing and doing well. And still a continue for fight. For what? For what? So now it's not about, protecting this person anymore. No, it's about money. It's just about money. And that's why they're continuing with this feud. Back and forth argument. Because it comes down to money. The views, the money. They don't want it to stop. They want it to continue. When something die down, then find ways to bring up something again. No. Let me address the Kingston 13 situation. Kingston 13, with all due respect, I've never done you anything wrong, but I've sat here in my own space, in my own house, and heard you telling lies and what you would do just because I come out and I point out something that has nothing to do with you, but you feel like, say, you're the defender of the earth. You wanted to destroy what I have going on over here. You wanted to ruin what I have going on over here. I heard you. I heard you. That's what you wanted to do. A good person would never ever stoop to a certain level. A good person would never even make that thought cross their mind. This year you sit down and you tell a lie about me. I don't have to repeat it. You in your heart, you know the lies that you've told. So I'm not going to believe certain things that you come on the internet and say. Did Lady V come and talk to you in confidence about certain things? Abso-friggin-lutely she did. Stupidly. Foolishly she did. Blindly she did. She used you as an outlet to vent, to share things that was going on in her mind. Yeah? She did that. She trusted you and she told you things. And because you're upset because you hear one little thing what she say. Let's not say one little thing because it affected you. And my condolences on the loss of your son. You understand? I know, me no know the pain of losing a child, but me know what it is like to lose someone that you love so dearly. Me know, me tell you, me end up in a therapy for it. So, I get it. My condolences. But what you did to that lady was despicable. The other things that that was being revealed, it was sickening, it was disgusting, it was sad. Some of them might be true, some might not be true, but regardless, it never sounded good. I was disappointed. I was disappointed in Lady V. Lady V, I am so disappointed in you. But like me say, when people hurt, them hurt others. And that's hurt. Me recognize that is hurt. Hurt you hurt. Do I think that you're a bad person? No. I don't believe you're a bad person. I believe that the things that Tenille is doing is affecting you on a daily basis. And you cannot do anything about it because she's not ready for the help. She's not ready for the help. Because no mother, that is your only daughter, your firstborn. And no mother would want to see their child on the internet like that. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. I think Tenille is at 23, 24, same age as my daughter. I think her birthday, I don't know if it's the 13th. I think that she and my daughter share the same birthday or a day apart. I mean, no said that is neither here or there. You understand? But I'm all about zodiac signs and stuff like that. That's just my little thing, right? They share the same birthday. She could be my child. I have a 12-year-old. I don't know what she's going to turn out to be. I have a 10-year-old. I don't know what is going to happen. Even my eldest child, my elder daughter, she might be good. She might be straight now. She might be upstanding citizen. But who knows what's going to happen? God forbid, down the line, somebody can violate her. And she gone off the rails, become promiscuous, just like Tenille. It can happen. When I came out, and I say, oh, Michelle LADONNA highlight this. This was for you to gather your things together. Get yourself together. And sort out yourself. But you kept on going down, 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 down. Doing all kind of madness. Doing things when me know say I go come back. Come affect you. And you kept going. And some come out and talk. I saw the people then cuss me. You see the problem with enabling people? The problem with enabling people and not allowing people to take accountability. We make excuses for people too much. When they come out and say, oh, but them never mean it. Oh, but you know, say I saw them stay. We know say I saw them stay. But the fact is that if you're wrong, you're just friggin' wrong. Point blank, period. I don't give a flying F. You're wrong. So me say, you're wrong. I don't care who you are. You are not above correction. No matter how big you are, no matter how rich you are, I don't care who you are. You are not. And when we come out and talk about certain things, when I get on the knickers on a twist, I drag my fan, yes, sort of thing, but I am still friggin' standing. Because I stand up for what I believe in. I'm not going to allow none of you to bully me. When me look like somebody can be bullied. Wrong and right are right. When no one drag her and said this, if then talk about you chat people with them, when you turn about them, I got chat with others. That's true. That's true. But the whole of Uno was friends. The whole of Uno support on one another. The whole of Uno. When we come out and lash Uno, and the whole of Uno group up on a farm group. I don't know why Uno good as all they lick me channel left, right, and center too. When on a farm on a friggin' group. When they decide say, oh, you know, make me flag our page and make me report our page, which you get shut up. I good as all of Uno too. The whole of Uno did that, the whole lot of Uno was friends. Uno team up against the whole of Uno. So me now for so long and watch Uno drag her when Uno created her. Uno created her. Uno never tell her so she wrong. Because I may say it. And Uno not like me. Uno give her right. Uno make excuses for her. Uno side with her. And me come out and me say, no sis, no, it wrong. Where I don't know, that don't make no sense. Me argue. There's a point where me argue back and forth. And come out and say, who are you to judge? Let me give you one main example. When me tell you, say, Lady V, me did lose after you with this one. Me lose after you, me cannot get over this one. When you go to Jamaica, go take picture. When you defended Mr. Handsome, and then you go further, go take picture with Mr. Handsome. And me say, you, for a psychologist, somebody will counsel people will experience trauma. And for you to be a motivational speaker. Right? And to have a daughter as a rape victim where you yourself are suffer from every day. You can't get rid of it day in, day out, day in. You yourself maybe cannot even walk in your town center with the head held high. You are suffering. Mentally it is damaging you. Emotionally it's damaging you. And now it's taking a toll on you physically. I see it. I, Michelle LADONNA, see it. And you come and you defend this person, a pedophile. A pedophile, he's got a record. And you take picture and I say, no, you shouldn't. And everybody come and say, who are you to judge this, that, and the third? And I say, I didn't say you cannot be nice to someone. You can't be courteous. You can't be pleasant. You can't say, okay, hi, how are you? You know, big up yourself. But when you're in a position, you see your career that you choose, that career that we choose, yeah? It goes, and you associate yourself with certain person, it goes against your ethical principles where that career is concerned, where your profession is concerned. You understand? You cannot be counseling people who experience certain types of trauma, such as, being sexually molested, violated, being assaulted, and then you take picture with a convicted pedophile. And that's how you did go wrong for me. And me realize from there, say, you are not okay. You are not okay. You understand what me I say? Me realize that you are hurt. Because normal somebody in their right mind would never do that. I watch you all the time. I observe you. You are hurt, Lady V. You are hurt. And you end up having conversations with people where you're not supposed to have conversation with. You women on social media fight with each other for what I don't know. Leave one another alone. Leave you notice me not come out, me not talk about Marcia, me not talk about Tina Chin, me not no these days me never talk about Miss Donna. I don't care. I want to leave all of Uno. So I don't care about Uno because what Uno go round and round and round in circles. It is draining, it is so toxic, and we're not getting anywhere. What is the end goal? What is the end goal? And then you have the little one them over YouTube where me can't stand. Where them come and then live Pantina Chin, them live Marcia Campbell for what? You know why they do it? They provoke these people for content. They provoke these people for content. They need it. Because if them not get up and talk about Marcia, and they not talk about Tina Chin, they not make Marcia Campbell and Tina Chin disappear after the internet and see what happened. See what happened when you go through them, when you go through their their videos. All I see Tina Chin, Marcia. Remember, you know, me and none of these people, we're not friends and we're never gonna be friends. I mean, I want to be a part of no clique. I don't want to be a part of no diaspora. I'm telling you, I just chat my mind and leave it at that. Because fear is fear. Wrong is wrong and right is right. You understand? We have to speak the truth. Uno go out, fatigue. Even women who me thinks are supposed to be decent people. Every God Almighty thing when Marcia can become and step on our page, our personal life, our business, and go on a bother, and me say, if you no disturb or whatever, the people them won't know that they push up and a support, yeah? She go cost the people them. She go cost the person. So me know that uno not care about the person neither, because if uno did care about the person, uno wouldn't do that, uno that leave her alone. But uno drive her to it, uno drive these people to it, because uno know one now, just uno get up and talk about, so uno care about the person. Not one of uno don't care about the person. Not one of uno. Uno only use her for money. It's a money making thing, so uno fuel the fire, fuel the fire, and year after year, and it's not stopping. It's not stopping. No matter how the lady go and mind her business and interact with her fans and share her life experience. That's what you do at your own personal page, you do personal blog, and you share your personal life. Everything where that lady talk, on pick you up on the carry go over you and cost the woman about her own personal life, her personal experience. And when you do that, you make people who want come on social media, you make them not want to talk about their things. Look how long the people them finish them feud. People are trying to move on and you won't allow them to move on. No, I can't continue. When there's a continue this nonsense. Women, wake up and pay attention and realize that we're not fighting each other for what? What? You guys don't know each other, you know? You never meet a day in a life. And you come on the internet and you fight one another. How can two people be friends and used to confide in each other and out every secret, everything that was discussed, everything, all maybe things where no go so, uno put it say go so, uno add, uno take away, and just put it out there. Kingston 13, you and this lady were friends. Uno used to talk. And you come out because she said something that offended you. So instead of you call her, uno used to call on one another, you know, come and you dash out everything. You just dash out everything. Bad to bad. Would I never do that in a million years. Anything nobody tell me, I go on my grave. That's why I always say I pride myself on confidentiality. You tell me something, it doesn't go nowhere. You must exercise that. Some of you is devious, you is conniving, and you is deceitful. You deceitful. On top of that, you are hurt. And you know how to deal with it. And you come and you project your anger onto others. That's what you guys do. That wasn't nice. So me now go sit down here and just say, okay, yeah, as much as home, no business about the diaspora. It hurts. Because you know what? The woman, she use her platform. She use her platform and sometimes she divulge proper, solid and sound advice. She have a look at community there. She was building her community. People like her. People like to watch her. What she has say, you know what I mean? Say, okay, because her daughter depart like post, you know what I mean? Say, she not still can depart some knowledge onto us. You understand? You know have to stop it now, man. I don't want to drag her all over the internet, but I want to create her. Yes, the things and what she do, certain things what she do, she was wrong. She breached confidentiality. She was unprofessional. She has. She was unprofessional. She breached confidentiality. A long time she do it. She'll do it from Erica days. I said it. Me come out and say a couple of years ago. Say, yeah. Me sit down and watch her. And I was annoyed because I said, why would you do that? She said something to you. You did not refer to it. You mentioned it. She talked to you about such. No matter if it's small like this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Right? You have to be true to you. You have to be honest. Don't try to be on sides. Me notice that when you come on want to take this sides thing. And be honest. If I want a friend and them do something wrong, if you don't want to call them on the phone, which me tell them say stop calling people on the phone. Stop call people on the phone. On a take to on a platform, and these days, it don't make no sense on a take to on a platform and adjust nothing but with one another. We need to start leave with one another alone. Leave each other alone. When we come and we talk about with business, on a leave with business pan with page. Don't go they go dissect with business. We are sharing business with the fans. Leave it alone. Cause chances are tomorrow I come and I decide I want to share 1 and 2 little things where they are going with me while me missing. Uno take you run gone with it. Uno take you run gone with it. But I may share it with my fans. May share some I go through this. This is what is affecting me. This is how me overcome it. So if you go through it, you can over. But no, uno go just run with it because me not like Michelle and see. This is what I go in the house. Say yes, serve right. That's that on the third. I'll start to not go there over there. Some people are run up and down in the comment section. Nobody these days no. It's like we're afraid to come and share certain things we don't know. Because we not go take it and run with it. Dissect it, scrutinize and all sort of something. Leave each other alone. We're women. We need to stop. We could go find content a bush to talk about. Stop go on people page. Stop provoke them. Stop fatigue them. Leave them alone. And it's hard not to take the bait. When you hear somebody, you come on your page, listen to you and go replay where you say, and I cuss upon your personal life and you talk about your family, your children, and it's hard not to come out and not to say certain things. That is very hard, that too. And everybody's strong and can turn a blind eye. Whereas me hear certain things, I know say it's definitely untrue, no go so. I may just turn a blind eye. Not everybody is like that. And when you come out and talk, that's want to get content again. I want to realize, I want to keep on doing it, I want to keep on doing it. Leave the people them alone. Leave the ladies alone. Ladies, leave each other alone. Stop calling one another on the phone. If you know a blog, just blog. Come out and just blog. Blog about a topic. Out there, not in the diaspora. Stop blogging about each other. Stop blogging about each other. If it's not a big major topic where take over YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. If it's not a topic like that, don't voice the opinion on it. There's no need to. We have to destroy this diaspora. I mean, I say because me come out and me want it to be destroyed. No, there's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. There are things that me I hear about people, private life, be true, be false. Me no want hear, me no want know. Just destroy it. What you guys are doing, this is not entertainment. Another them type of entertainment that we want. We don't want them kind of something here. Them something here bring all kind of, you know, disgusting, derogatory, demeaning things. Maybe see comment about my 12-year-old daughter. My 12-year-old daughter where barely depend any of my videos. Comments about my 12-year-old little daughter with not too long left from primary school. Women who are mothers, they're saying certain things about my little 12-year-old daughter. Such sweet, smart, bright child. We wanna not know. But you wanna hate me. You wanna say all kind of things are because there's I run up and down over for certain platform where they put out filth and I dig up things. Me even hear people call, make phone call. You know, you make phone call and I divulge information where they know about the Lady V. Look at that. Certain things will happen in the past in the name of Jesus. Women who know disgusting. This has happened in the past. It's in the past. I'm not going to call a man to divulge information about the person. Who the hell does that? Look, Mr. Hey, someone who know tormented. You see, someone may tell us, I don't know if I dope your right, don't know. Someone who know broken. You don't have nothing to do more than come on social media, come wreak havoc. You don't pick up the phone for call a man for divulge information about a woman when not bother you, not disturb you, and you call a man to tell a man that. You see, someone who have professional education and no come and make excuses for these people and big them up because you're not afraid of them people are cussing out. And if you don't want to depend side with them, woe be unto uno. Woe be unto uno. When you come out and lick out and stand up for what is right, woe be unto uno. Remember me telling you that. Woe be unto uno. We say you have education and you up there. Woe be unto uno. If somebody is wrong, they are wrong. Don't fuel no fire and don't make no excuses and say, oh, but this one is, you know, say in a sense there. If you don't, no, it's wrong what the person is doing. That's not what we do. There are so many contents. I remember when Damian Vlogs, he was part of this clique. And he took himself away. Look at him now. Go over there and look at his channel. This guy is doing absolutely amazing. Look at his views. Because he decided to come out of here. This not have no substance in here. So in the diaspora, it will suck you and it will drain you. And you will not grow. Make me in a study and you see. You may not bring content from top of contents when I have nothing to do with the diaspora. Me come with me look at talent, me look at foolishness. You understand? Me blackboard this, me blackboard that. The amount of things when me say when me want to talk about and want to vlog about. I true me not have the time. But wait until the time. Me not look over this aside upon nobody at all. Not care about nobody in this diaspora. Me only stop by now. Just because I want to say I go on social media. And someone who have sense and say you're not educated, don't want to make excuses to these people because they don't want to side. There's nothing to side about. There's nothing to side with these people, with these individuals about. There's nothing to side about. Because it's not good. It's not pure. How can you tear down one in order to build the other? Not go like that. We build each other. And once again, you're going to say, I'm not perfect. I may make a couple of mistakes. I may tackle certain things when we shouldn't tackle it. But me know 100% say, me no friggin' wrong. When me say certain things, me no wrong. Me approach might be wrong and me delivery might be wrong. But me no wrong because me know. Me no stupid. Me tell you, me no stupid and me no idiot. And me not support nobody. We are tear down no woman in general. Me not do it. And this ongoing thing, let me tell you something. You see, uno man, yo, listen. Actually, me think I'm talking long enough, you know. You see, uno get up and talk about loyalty and betrayal and them something that uno don't know what friggin' loyalty and betrayal is. What Kingston 13 do to Lady V, that is betrayal. That is betrayal. And them sit down on the phone and confide in them one another and tell them one another how said and cow fat and all sort of something. And them sit down on the phone and chat other people. And she come out and dash it out. Me never hear Lady V come and dash out nothing about Kingston 13 where Kingston 13. And Kingston 13 do it. So what does that tell you about the person? What does that say about the person? What does that say about the person for somebody like me who never even do Quick Kingston 13? Not at all, never. And what she threatened to do to me. The lies that she spread on her platform about me. I heard it for myself. I didn't do her anything. It says a lot about this person. I'm telling you, I want to stop support people who get up and do some free grip on the internet. Oh no, say morally what they're doing is wrong. It's wrong. You don't entertain these type of things. And I say, oh yeah, me rate her and she this and she that and the third. But what she's doing is wrong. A lot of things that we're doing to each other, it is just wrong. And we need to just leave each other alone. We're being spiteful and vindictive and evil and deceitful. We not stop other people blessing. How can you go and stop other people blessing? You and them not really have nothing. I saw no hurt, you can't let go off on no hurt, you have your continue. So your money you not do it for. And money you not do it for. How can somebody say something will upset me and me just a carry on? Me just a continue. Me can't let it go. How long it happen? Look how long it happen. Sometimes I not even me the person do this something too. And uno them do this something to, you know, maybe as somebody who uno like, somebody where on a family member, uno close to them, and it happened years ago. And uno just had dry it out. And uno like a idiot, uno over there, they entertain it, and a giggle, and I support it. Women, us women, this thing, yeah, this feud or whatever, this could have died down and done long time. Long time. And you continue to drag it. At time now, leave it alone. Me think that we say all of what we need for say. Me think that we highlight all of what we need for highlight. Me think that we know all of what we need for know now. Leave it alone. Leave one another alone. Stop provoking one another for money, because money come down to money. Money. Views equal money. And that's why we no want to stop. That's why you see them, some of the YouTubers where them a man. Them want it. Them want it. What them business in a woman argument and stuff like that? Them want it. How can you let men come and provoke or play chess or pawn or whatever it is they want to play with? You just make these people are use as pawns in a then dirty game. And you just sit back. And you sucked into it. I don't care who want to call me name I want. You do no worse. I tell you my reputation speak for myself. You understand? It speaks for me. So it's when me stand up for something when me believe in, and no matter what I do. No matter what I do, you can't affect me. People will come to my page to hear what I'm talking about, to see if it makes sense. So you now go against me. So no matter what you say, it won't go against me, because me know so when me I say it's right. Me know so when me I say it's right. So me now go just sit back and me gonna drag the lady all over the place when me know say Uno created her. Uno entertain her, Uno create her. Because when me did a reprimand her from in at the beginning, Uno drag me and cuss me and tell me some bad mind. Me tell them say there's nothing in this life for me for bad mind, especially when it comes to material things. As well as you have ambition, determination and commitment, you can achieve anything out there. I strive for inner peace, happiness, good health. That's what me want. You have that? If you have that, me envy you for that. Inner peace. You have inner peace? You happy inside? You happy through and through? You're self-assured? You're secure in yourself? You have that? If you don't have that, there's nothing that you have that I want. Nothing. Worldly possessions is nothing to me. Nothing at all. No come out. Oh, she bad mind. She bad mind her for her education. Oh, she bad mind because she look good. Oh, no dumb. Oh, no dumb. When you see your sister go down the wrong path, if you not give her tough love, you not give it to her. When you have with children, them the amount of things and don't we cuss with them and tell them some things. So why is it don't we see with sister? I go down a path. Somebody where you like, somebody where you admire. Why you can't give them tough love? Me not tell you say if you cuss them and tell them bad word, all kind of things and degrade. No, you give them tough love. You come out and you give it to them harsh. Make them understand themselves. Because if Lady V did listen, she wouldn't end up in a places where she end up. She wouldn't even listen. If she did listen to me from day one, maybe she and even Kingston 13 wouldn't even be friends. Wouldn't be friends. And then you have persons on the internet, them come and they highlight these people. Not because these people are riding for you, but in general, look at what they're doing in general. Listen to what they're saying in general. Even if they're repping for you, you understand, they're defending you. But they're also putting down somebody else. You know what it feels like for somebody hurt you, degrade you, sit down upon you, cuss you. So, don't encourage the person, say no. What you do, don't do it. Stop it, because me know what it feels like. Don't highlight and don't support that friggery. Because that's when me lose off of you completely. Because you're not highlight friggery. Lady V, this video, longest video me doing a long while. Let me tell you something, sweetheart, yeah? Me not have nothing against you. At the same time, me not depend on your side. Me not pick up for you, me not defend you. Like me say, right or wrong. Right? Me I wish you all the best. Me I send you love. Me I send you peace. Right? Me I pray say you get healing. Me I beg you. I am imploring you. Right? Even psychologists, counselors, they themselves need counseling, because people offload on them. It's a lot. And I know that sometimes they are trained to deal with it. But sometimes uno no self, uno need counseling. Go and seek help. Go and seek help. Take time. Take the time to heal. You understand? Seek therapy and come back. Come back. You have people out here who like you, people who support you, people who are riding for you. Come, you have a space on this internet just as everybody else. You understand? And let us look forward to your message when you come and deliver it, and whether it be on a Wednesday night, Sunday night, or whatever you schedule the time, and you come our song and you depart your knowledge and make we learn. Do not engage in no conversation with nobody on the internet, on social, nobody on social media. We have a page, we have a platform. Don't. You hear me? I tell you, don't. You stick to your family and your close friends, the people that were there from however long. Are them people that you're supposed to talk to. Nobody else. You don't need nobody on the internet. You understand? You say, I always big up my family and my best friends, them, my close friends, them. Yeah? Because of them have my back. They're here for me. Those are the people that you need in your life. Not people who you don't know on social media. You understand? And get yourself a good therapist so you can go and sit down and talk. Clear your mind. You understand? Anyways, me I send you and Tenil love and light. All right, blessings.